Hey everybody. I got a little quick video I wanted to show you because we were having problems with the windshield, so we've decided to go with Lexan. So let me show you what we've done. So we had this piece cut out of this Microlon, which is a abrasion resistant polycarbonate sheet, which is also UV resistant as well, so it should last quite well in the sun, the rain, all of that kind of stuff. Should be okay with windshield wipers. We're not going to drive the car in the rain too much, so we'll see. What I did was I got a piece that's 0.22 inches thick, and you can see on this piece what we've done is we've put a test primer on it. So that's the black on there. We actually put it on there. I just wanted to see if it would stick well, if it was going to adhere to this particular plexiglass. So we're going to see how that goes. Now, what I want to do is, you can see how clear this is right here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it on that. Let's see what happens. Well, it's got some little scratches on it, but I was rubbing really hard with that stuff. I don't know if you can see it, but I took the Scotch-Brite and I rubbed it on there pretty well. Let's see if I can get it's hard to see because this stuff resisted it pretty well. I'm quite impressed. I mean, I was really pushing hard. So yeah, that's going to be pretty good. Now I did the same with the glass, and you can see this haze mark right here of scratches, and I did it about as much as I did the polycarbonate. So let's take a look at that again, the same light. See if I can get, I mean, man, this stuff is just, it's really hard to see those scratches. So this was really not a hardcore experiment. It was just a quick little test. I can't get a very good picture of both the glass and the polycarbonate in the same light. Maybe I'll try doing that some other time. But rest assured, it did really well compared to the glass. So I'm pretty confident that this is going to work well for our project. Anyway, thanks. Just a short kind of demo to show you kind of the steps that we're going through on this project in investigating different things, because the windshield thing cutting was not working for me. I got it to work once and only once. A lot of people have given really good perspective on how we were doing it. I think the big thing was that we didn't have the glass out in the sun, so which means warming it up. So somebody mentioned in the comments, you know who you are, that getting the glass really hot was key to doing a good cut. But we didn't do that, so the glass cracked on us. Anyway, I'm pretty impressed with the polycarbonate. It seems to prime well, so we're going to try and bond it in and go from there. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.